What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. In today's video, as you guys can see, we have a brand new mod for the Bronco Raptor, and it actually has to do with the KC lights we just installed, guys. I want to give a huge shout out to Sticker Fab for getting me in on time and squeezing me in and getting me this custom decal. So if you guys didn't know already, I kind of mentioned it in the previous vlog, but we're actually going to be putting a custom decal over these caps here. So as you can see, it says KC, right? Let me show you guys something that I came up with that I think is pretty cool. And actually someone had mentioned it to me as well before. You guys ready for this? Look at this. Bam! Look at that. So instead of saying KC, it's gonna say KG. It's just a decal. It goes right over the cover here. And they're fairly easy to install. All you gotta do is remove this decal that's here, and then just soap and water. You can take these caps off and then just squeegee it off and then kind of center it to where it would be. But I think this is gonna look freaking badass. Huge shout out to Sticker Fab for getting me in last minute. And if you guys need any decals, make sure to reach out to them. I'll drop their Instagram down below. Go give them a follow. Let them know that lifewithkg sent you, and they'll get you looking good. The quality of the decals is just insane, guys. It is so freaking nice. The quality, you could just tell that it's a really, really good decal. We can go ahead and just start with this one right here. So we're gonna go ahead and you just reach back here and then pop this little cap off, and then it comes right off. Super simple to take off. And now we're gonna clean this up. We'll clean this part up, and then with just soap and water, we'll lay this circle part on there and kind of match it to where it would kind of be. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just clean this background part up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and peel this decal off. I have my water and soap, and then I'm gonna go ahead and squeegee it out. Got some gift cards we can use. But yeah, I think the hardest part is gonna be trying to eyeball it to where it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up the little cap. Make sure it's nice and clean here. And then we're gonna go ahead and just put some soap and water on this so it's nice and easy. And then we can go ahead and place the decal. Let's just get this a little bit more wet. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just, as you can see, you can move it around a little bit. And that looks like it would be kind of centered there. And then we're gonna go ahead and squeegee these things out. Take out all the soap. That looks good. So now, take the camera. We can go ahead and place it on here, go like that. And that's gonna go over it just like that. Then we're gonna do the same for pretty much all of them. So I'll pick up the camera once I get all of them installed and show you guys how they look. All right, guys, got them all installed. Dude, they look so freaking good. So I ended up leaving 2 open just so we can have some lights to show, and then the rest are all covered up. I'll probably do the rest later, but that's how they came out. And it's exactly to the color of the car, code orange. And dude, it looks freaking amazing, man. Big shout out to Sticker Fab. I appreciate you guys. The decals look so good. And yeah, hit them up. Damn, that looks so freaking fire. It's crazy how the company is called KC, and it's like, how close is it to my initials from KG? Also, guys, to actually get these aligned perfectly, so I ended up putting like a little piece of like clear tape right against the K, so kind of to have an idea where they're placed at, so they all look literally even. It looks perfectly straight for the decal. So all right, guys, it is currently the next day. I'm going to a car meet. This will be the first time with the new lights, so maybe we can get some cool reactions. But look what's in front of us, guys. Lamborghini. This is the Diablo. That's crazy. So freaking old school, but damn, that's just sick. Guys, for a lot of you guys that are probably going to be asking in the comments or that are curious, there is more wind noise with these lights. I just got off the freaking freeway and I can hear more wind noise, especially up here in these lights, and yeah, obviously the light bar. So if you guys are looking to get these lights, you got to keep in mind where you're going to park now even more, because these lights do sit a little bit higher than your roof. And also wind noise. You're going to be getting a lot of wind noise in these lights. There's Snowy in the Raptor. Damn, I can't wait to take these doors off, the roof off, That shit gonna look sick. All right, guys, we have finally made it to the car meets. Dude, I am so in love with the freaking Raptor, guys. Especially how it says KG on the lights, on the little covers. Anyways, got the homie Noe. I think he's gonna move it, but dude, look at that shit. What the? No way, bro. It is freaking hot today, guys. Good thing I put on sunscreen because we do not want to get sunburned. We need to hit more trails soon. I'm not trying to hit no car meets. We literally got the perfect vehicle to go off-roading in, and we gotta literally take advantage of that. So what's cool about this meet, guys, is that it's all type of cars. It's not just one category. You literally got American muscles, you've got BMWs, you've got exotics, you got everything here at this meet. So, and guys, we got the Viper GTSR. Oh my god, that thing is crazy. Look at all the carbon. Got carbon everywhere. The big ass wing. Man, that shit's sick. Got the X6M, but dude, look at this thing. What the 6x6G? That's crazy. Look, he's got the radio. See? Oh my god, bro. Look at that. That is insane. Got the Fox suspension on there. Wow. That's crazy. Look at that. Los Angeles Delta K9 protection dogs. I have never seen this before on a Raptor. That shit is sick though. We got the wagon with the M2 bumper, GTS hood. That's just crazy. We got the yellow BMW, F30. We got the Lime Rocks back, the X5M. Damn, look at this shit, guys. That's crazy. What the? Damn. Pretty sick. This one. Look at this, guys. What the heck? I'm telling you, you guys see the most craziest shit here. Damn. That's insane. Ah, damn. This has got to be the perfect Porsche right here. Dude, look at that. I got the orange cage. Exactly how I do it. All carbon Alcantara with orange in it. Dang, dude. This is perfect. Wow, man. Got the Ferrari Pista. Probably one of my favorite Ferraris. Damn, that shit looks good with that red stripe in the middle. Got the seat with the red stripe. And look at that, 2 more Lime Rocks bags. And if you actually, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but this has a lighter shade. And that one has more of like a burnt orange shade. I think that one's closer to the Lime Rock color.
Out of here, don't speed a race out of here. All the cops know where the car shows are. They're gonna start pounding cars and checking for all your mods. So when you don't have catalytics, like a few cars that just pulled in, they know they're all car guys too. So keep the cars quiet, keep car shows going.
Dang, what the heck? That's insane. What? Dude, it looks like a Lambo. That's crazy. Call it Vector, twin turbo. Look at this little one right here. This looks crazy. Got the Momo steering wheel on there. Damn. Just crazy. As you can see, a lot of different cars pull up to this. Nice, rich. Damn, look at the little old school Benzes. Sheesh. That's sick. So nice too. This white one is sick. Wow. That's just gangster. Dude, if you had this back in the day, you were rich. Got the E46 wagon, BMW bank livery on there. It's pretty cool to see E46 wagons. It's got the wide body kit on there. It's got all the decals. It's pretty cool. I like this right here. Got another E46 wagon with another livery on there. It's pretty clean. It's pretty cool too. Malibu Surf Shack. No way, dude. That's crazy.
Hey, I see these things called like hardcore 4x4 fucking trail.
Really? Yeah, that's just pretty cool. This is the Lambo that we were following earlier. So it's the Diablo. It's just nice, dude. The paint looks good. Yeah. Manual, gated. Yeah, that's sick. That shit is very nice. Got the tan interior. Damn. Let's look at the back of the engine. V12, 5.7 liter. Oh, they beefing. They're beefing it, G. Bro, that's just so funny. F10 M5? You really don't see the F10 M5s. Damn. Sick. Damn, M4 convertible, champagne quartz. Pretty cool individual. We got the McLaren GT. It's like a satin green color. Supra. That shit's sick. GT3 RS. Oh, dude. That's just sick. The Z06 Bridge. Dude, it literally sounds like an Aventador. McLaren. Damn, this is the 650S. Dude, that shit's nice still. Orange, lime rock spec. All over Noe. Satin black X5M. Sheesh. Nick would be all wet for sure right now. That's just sick. F80, Yas Marina blue. It's just clean. Got the old schools heading out already. Very clean. No way. The big homies pulled up. Man, that shit's hard. I want that right there. That shit's sick. We got the G82. Damn. All over Nick. It's just pretty clean. Brooklyn gray on the T's. We got an E92 M3. It's clean. What's up? Oh shit, what's up, bro?
You need help?
Yeah.
Loaded up in that trailer.
Yeah, it's right up there. It's good.
Ooh, we got the brand new McLaren, the 750S. I have not seen one yet. That's sick. It's like a bluish color with some orange. Look at those seats. Damn, this shit's nice. We need a supercar, guys. Look at the exhaust. Woo. Pretty sick. E92, that's pretty clean. I thought it was an M3 for a second, but it looks clean. Dude, that's just crazy. All right, guys, comment down below. What do you guys think about the Raptor build so far? We got the KC lights on there, and then we did some custom stickers that said KG on it, and I think it looks freaking badass. And it's cool because it's actually matching the same color as the freaking Raptor. So far, what you guys think? Comment down below. What mod should we do next? All right, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Make sure to follow Sticker Fab on Instagram. Get your custom decals done. Let them know that Life with KG sent you guys. See you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.